Bingo.
Rest in peace.
Rest in peace,
Rest in peace.
Right. Guys, we did it. We played all 13.
We did it.
We
We
did at
actually did
403. In memory of Bukaka.
Bro, oh yeah, I forgot. We get a final time tally on this.
Oh my god.
5 hours and 58 minutes.
Almost
Alright,
six.
Matt,
Oh
you
my
were on the
God.
money. I'll give it to you.
I'm telling you, bro.
Only 3 deaths, PogChamp. 63 first aid kits! Bro,
God,
I'm
he's
so excited.
How
This
did
is
you use
just
60?
goofy number.
Me and Matt were the bile guys.
I hate Mile.
Me and
36.
Carnival Percolate.
I knew I would get smokers.
Tyler with the 8 smokers.
Common infected killed, yeah.
Me with 7,000 damage.
How did Connor have 3 friendly fire incidents?
Wait, what?
How
did Ryan have
how
104?
How did you do that? That can't be right.
How did you only get 3? How does that
Bro,
happen?
do you think he like intro wrapped around back to like?
Connor had
Not all the
50%
way?
accuracy.
I faced 13,910 zombies.